Your mind is like a fertile field, and your thoughts are the seeds you plant. You have the choice to grow vibrant flowers or unwanted weeds. The law of attraction can be a strong tool, helping you bring your desires to life and leading you to a more fulfilling existence. You can draw in positivity, joy, and success by tweaking your mindset and daily habits. Let's explore 5 key habits that can either boost or block the effectiveness of the law of attraction in your life. Being present in the moment is the secret to effectively leveraging the law of attraction. Visualize your life as a blooming garden. Each instant is a precious flower waiting to be admired. We miss the beauty and opportunities right before us when we dwell on past events or fret about future uncertainties. Life's true magic unfolds in the now, where each second is filled with infinite possibilities and new chances. Consider this: when you're overly concerned about past happenings or potential future scenarios, you overlook the incredible opportunities. It's like ignoring a treasure chest at your feet because you're too focused on a treasure map. By living in the moment, you form a deep connection with the universe, enhancing the law of attraction's power. This profound connection fades when we let our thoughts drift aimlessly. Moreover, being in the moment allows us to cherish life's little joys and everyday miracles. We often neglect these small wonders because our grand ambitions or past regrets consume us. It's akin to walking through a garden and missing the delightful scent of the flowers because we're engrossed in a map. When we stop and truly immerse ourselves in the present, we open our eyes to a world of beauty and opportunities that have always been there, quietly waiting for us to notice. Living in the moment strengthens the law of attraction and brings more happiness, contentment, and fulfillment into our lives. Envision your mind as a garden filled with memories, experiences, and narratives that shape who you are. Sometimes we cling to painful memories and harrowing experiences so firmly that they become like weeds, stifling our potential for growth and change. These negative stories confine us, creating a prison of past sorrows. Many find themselves stuck in a loop, replaying these tough times repeatedly, preventing them from moving forward. Now think about this. Just as a dam bursts to release accumulated water, a significant issue or crisis can break this cycle. It's like hitting the reset button. Something amazing happens when we realize we are more than our past, not defined solely by our pain and sad tales. We start to perceive the world differently. Our past pains no longer restrain us. We can embrace the present. Letting go of this painful identity doesn't mean forgetting our past. It means recognizing that these experiences are just a chapter of our life, not the entire story. We learn from our past, but refuse to let it dictate our future. This realization liberates us from the self-imposed limits. Pain is a part of life, but continual suffering is optional. Moving past suffering is a crucial step in harnessing the law of attraction. This process of letting go of our painful identity resembles gardening. The garden may be initially overrun with weeds, representing our painful memories and experiences. As we tend the garden, we remove these weeds, allowing new plants to flourish. These plants symbolize our new experiences, dreams, and hopes. As our garden becomes more beautiful, we see our lives in a new light. We also learn patience, celebrating small wins, and persevering through tough times. During this process, we realize it's okay to seek help, just like a gardener might need advice or extra hands. Friends, family, or professionals can provide the support, guidance, and encouragement we need to keep moving forward. Ultimately, when our garden is vibrant, we can appreciate the beauty of our journey. We recognize that every experience, good or bad, has helped shape us. We start to live more in the present, savoring every moment and feeling lighter, happier, and more at peace. This is the power of releasing our pain identity and embracing life with a positive and open heart. It allows us to fully utilize the law of attraction, aligning ourselves with positivity and growth, attracting even more positive understandings into our lives. One area where many can improve in applying the law of attraction effectively is the habit of negative thinking and blaming others. When we consistently point fingers or weave stories where we're always the victim, it's like planting a garden in infertile soil. The results we hope for won't thrive. This happens because we're engulfed in our negative thoughts, convinced that everything wrong is due to past events or others' actions. This mindset hinders our ability to achieve our desires and fills us with negative energy. However, a significant shift can occur when we recognize that many of our problems are current and much of our worry is simply in our heads. This change in perspective frees us, allowing us to focus on what we possess and can accomplish. We must stop blaming and start acting to harness the law of attraction. Problems become stepping stones for growth rather than insurmountable barriers. Most of our challenges are temporary and exist mainly in our thoughts. Investing our energy in finding real solutions can create a more positive and satisfying reality. Breaking away from negative thinking opens up a world of possibilities. Instead of being trapped in a cycle of blame and disappointment, we see the world in a new light. Opportunities that were once hidden by our negative thoughts become visible. We realize that our thoughts shape our reality, and changing our mindset can transform our lives. This mindset shift includes practicing gratitude, which brings positive energy into our lives like watering a garden. Moreover, setting clear objectives helps us focus our actions and thoughts, aligning them with our desires. Challenges are a part of life, but our response to them defines our journey. Maintaining a positive outlook and considering challenges as opportunities for growth strengthens our ability to use the law of attraction. It's not just about avoiding negative thoughts, but about welcoming positivity and growth, making the journey toward our desires both fulfilling and transformative. Your inner self is like a hidden gem within you waiting to be discovered. Knowing yourself deeply is like uncovering this precious gem filled with wisdom and potential. This is a vital aspect of effectively using the law of attraction. Just as a garden needs the right conditions to thrive, your mind requires inner peace and mindfulness to utilize this powerful law fully. When you neglect to be calm and mindful, your thoughts can be like a restless monkey, causing you to feel anxious or downhearted. But when you practice being calm and attentive, your thoughts flow smoothly and peacefully like a gentle stream. This calmness and mindfulness are like sunlight and water for your mind's garden. Just as a garden can't grow without the right conditions, your mind needs peace and awareness. Your mind is potent. It can create a world of worry or a world of wonder. The choice is yours and starts with a single moment of mindfulness. You create the ideal environment for the law of attraction to work wonders by cultivating inner peace and mindfulness. Furthermore, staying in tune with your inner self, your true limitless self, boosts your ability to attract good things into your life. This inner harmony sends positive vibes that resonate with the universe, aligning your actions and thoughts with your deepest desires and dreams. It's like unlocking a secret door within you, leading to a garden of possibilities where every thought and feeling can bloom into reality. This garden becomes your creation, reflecting your most authentic self and thriving in harmony with the universe. The beauty of living in harmony with your inner self is that it transforms your perspective on life. What once seemed important may lose significance, while simpler joys become more valuable. You start to appreciate the beauty in everyday moments and the people around you. This shift in perspective is not just about attracting good things, but about living a more fulfilling and authentic life. When you connect with your inner self, life flows more smoothly, free from needing approval or chasing material possessions. It's like unlocking the door to a world where your deepest desires and dreams are not just fantasies, but reflections of your true self. With every step you take on this journey of self-discovery, you gain new insights and a deeper understanding of yourself. As you align your actions with your inner truths, every step feels lighter, and every decision resonates with your core. This inner journey is ongoing, and each step brings you closer to a life filled with endless possibilities and genuine fulfillment. Focusing solely on material possessions can be like chasing a mirage in the desert, always elusive and ultimately unsatisfying. According to the law of attraction, it's crucial to understand that accurate fulfillment doesn't come from an endless desire for more things. Instead, it starts with finding joy in what you already have and appreciating who you are. Imagine your life as a treasure hunt where the natural treasures lie in personal growth, meaningful relationships, and soul-enriching experiences. When you shift your focus from accumulating material things to nurturing your inner richness, you open yourself up to a world of possibilities where happiness isn't tied to what you own. This transformation doesn't mean abandoning your goals or dreams. It's about balancing material desires and understanding what brings you joy and fulfillment. The journey towards this balanced approach leads to a life where every experience, big or small, becomes a treasure. You begin to see the world in a new light, where every person you meet and every moment you experience holds the potential for growth and fulfillment. This shift also affects your attitude toward giving. Instead of giving with the expectation of receiving something in return, you learn to give out of love and abundance. This aligns you with the law of attraction and ensures your life is filled with abundance. Giving with a selfless heart starts a cycle of positivity and abundance, creating a loop of giving and receiving that enriches your life. This philosophy of giving extends beyond material things. It's about sharing your time, energy, and compassion with others. When you proffer a listening ear to a friend in need, help a stranger, or share a smile, you contribute to a cycle of positivity and goodwill. It's crucial to stay aware of your ego's tricks and choose to give out of love and abundance, maintaining alignment with the law of attraction. Embracing this philosophy of giving enhances your overall well-being and attracts more positivity and abundance into your life. Ultimately, it's about recognizing that fulfillment goes beyond material possessions, and true wealth lies in the richness of your inner world and the positive impact you can have on others. By adopting these habits and including them into your daily life, you can open the full potential of the law of attraction. Start today and witness how positivity, abundance, and fulfillment effortlessly flow into your life. Are you ready to transform your life? Begin your journey to manifest your dreams today.